say ezumi mu huni e meka kan mo
enti no senka ayebia o mo fa ekuo no ho a e den ye de obelisk any pyramid any si wo mu nyina tumbu so e de identify o mo say amuka ye ho e na wadi kai enti no ya proving of masonry in the 4 groups no a wo mo de o mo ho ye ko bi ha no ye kasa ngofo a mutie no se no mu nyina e ka kasa ko ene no ye pese e kire se ba bi o mu free ba
nyo ni free ba
enye ho ne esu e free ba me do bi ase
yabada afapoku dankwa asera me ka wo se books ahodo asabre ai krado a opebi ata on sai be ka no from Babylon to Timbuktu eno nwoma ba ko a ai krado enti wo free number no 0244686557 no brebe sore na ye be tro kwan wo be fa so ba bia won sa tumi aka bi 0244686557 ana 0207782 482 0207782482 and other numbers me no a ofra book no on sabetu akabi you the Pharisees the Sadducees and the scribes and also enwoma ai card ho a and so pb after obenya na meka se book we the be aka sofo ni nyinara and amomode so on sabetu akabi na ma sore ma no from Injamo. After Yeshua the Hebrew Messiah or Jesus the Christian Christ. Part 2, the final confrontation. And also Mano I Crado. And also Momo Pebia Tojinano. Monsa ebi to me I can do a brother friend 0244686557. And now 0207782482. And also from Sabekabi. 20 books me answer imprinting I card out sabi to be a cabin answer the beko where Israel meka was say a year Israel consult yana idini ma hodo abadwa so na ebo manipa yapom de SCP esita e de amayen na we am afai e bob oh ya bob e de she kane mu ya bi o say come in some e so che say yes bigina na so energy ni wu ma kasa mama energy ni wu na de enti energy wo me enti bob e kan wana so yi se be fe me camera wu ma na me camera man si se amba fancy ni se chia ebedum because energy ni mu ni nyina ne say ye wade we wa ha e fe quantum beauty spray we ada roma an energy e wo me mu se bibi no wo de ofie dum lighter hwehwe me ana de ECG omba be twa light nse kukuro enkotua bill bia hwehwe me mi afa bob ni si mi se pa na dam me gina ho amu adam ade na sebe se statue wa be kam yeti so ni nyina ya quantum beauty spray into obi ofia ye dum light any problem we the two bob no e she holder na fa si body no e be gina so abankrada da kama na sa quantum beauty spray no e ye spray bia me patro nya duham bia e ye nsuo ene gu sa de we mu na no se wo de gu onipadua no ho a one ma wo energy pa energy cost and inside you come ho a pa na so ko energy no so enu twam bi mu a woni abofra bi ofi abofra no timi ahyehye me pa chofa bi spray no within 5 to 10 minutes fiao na ko se bibi na hono wo na hu ade ko hu ni so ni ba impo se pompokra na fa bi spray so fiao na ko se we bi ofi a me pa cho yen koto adro ka branti was ye na mawu nyina za de be fra me para 1 cd chloroquine 2 cds moja do 3 cds na fe no homete na so quantum beauty spray ya bibia totwa na me kamfo e de ma sequence nyina za quantum beauty spray wi me kamfo de ma all the sequence ni nyina ne se e ma honam no ho emmoamoa na sequence ọmọ kese ọmọ di nko ekọ hiba gina komo pe we dia som me pa chomo boka go wa be pe yare ama ho mansa tumi ka quantum beauty spray we bi na efa gu ni padua no na be tabia na uluki so young na skin so ye fe e ma wonyini o wo be din fe be de ona de otia na skin ye fe e ma stretch marks bi a me ba be ba ho e ma laughing mark bi a ma ba wanim atimi sampa oni padua no e kira na so pa na esa enye se asa we ye bie so nsuo ne wo mu no esa bomode ane bie so ne fa nsuo ne bi gum uwi akata so na fe san e hya se fa di udwuma na nsuo ne di gum no e ho na ya na mo problem no because nye so te da se abrawa na ma akora so se di nsuo ne gum ti nsuo bia na akosa na di gum ye koka osi nsufin bia dum ja tra hwai sufin bia de dum ja bewie na akwa hu ade na dum no be nu ho bomode so ba ma satima ka HP tester we bi we ye de test nsuo se se nsuo no ensu krogen alkaline anase bia neutral eno na betumi e de agu eye saa konkoimu amana tumi ayeye na wonsa tumi ka HP tester we bia ebra eye quantum beauty spray no de woman asana person de nsu bi gum no na nsu ko na person de gum no say ye wa ofie pipe o say ye bura bi na akosa o say ye nsu awde ton ga bi so na akoto de agum bo modern di kan test e wo se nsu no eye alkaline anase e neutrals na we dey test nti nsu ko no we kakra gu ade ade ti osum na wa mia we no pio miensa e de agum na wa sheki no so wo sheki no na hu eye sa ahyensudie e wa ha o to apepa hye ho aya chiro nsuo ne kala bia be ho no na be indicate say eye alkaline e neutral na say sebe acidic say acidic dia don't go there wudi be gu emo gu ho wakofa ha wo dia ma ho te mo modern man sa so ntim ka HP tester de bi na nya ensuo a ye di gu quantum beauty spray no bottle no nko an ye di we test ensuo a wan kasa person no ko ni paduanim ensuo a person di dware ensuo a di udwo ade bia no bo modern test we say ensuo a ko ni paduanim a emfa wo hawmro na so benya bibi dia test ama na ba mama wa na ye sa HP tester we nti bo modern a ema won santumi nka bi bo ne de we be say fofo e da fom papa na de ba kwa mpese wo hye no so de say ye kwa ye ba nyina no ye ne nyarewa hodo bi ne nam na nyarewa no e ne fa bi we mu ba fon mu pa because radiation egumu through radiation ane phone si etumi di djuma na so wa hwe ye bi wa nyina ya radiation be wura mu a me ho se be bebro de bebre ya ho enchechela se teachings bebre ofi ha na de betumi a reduce radiation ama no ene sa di ebi de bom phone chi no temayi mi phone cover de ato abere chiro no me mo se enya de boni bi yusu bi enunti me kan for the amount so wonya we na so de taa eye wo phone na chi a e reduce radiation e wo mu no e de mawo na enye mobile phone ko a mo amoye enjuma e wo ye mfidie ho mo wo mfidie dan te se mo wo control rooms de bia transmitters na de sisi no ka benya wonya sa radiation protector bia na nka wo de abobo o machines ni nyina se de be betu reduce radiation e wo mu na mawo yes I gina wa fe bo se o trimu na asase bom abodam fansa bo wadwenim ebe ha pa we kitikiti we be promise how how ni nyina no eto atwa na Israel consult say mensan enkan chow say e dia hwehwe abadwa so saa ahwehwe we e na ebo moden na ayi wani so yare nyina e dia mawo indi so akọ ayare sabia akọhwe wani na so wani ni sabia tafra che kuru abaso ana bi wani ni hunade ya ma ahwe ni wa problem bia wo wani ni so a enti ma ahwe ni wa no kawo sa ahwe ni wa na hyewa na si modro sa chi so sa akọje foforo na so ahwe we die obehye na febo de ato ho ama na kanso a ala be hyebi ni nyina ne se yare bia wo wani ni so bia no ahwe no bomodin se ebe yare no mafi wani ni so tenye se wo de hwa ade nko akeke nyemo no wo de sa wani no yare na wo so no eni se ekwa na afi ahwe no betima hye de abo life ana so betumi de ato ho na se daachi bia no se problem bia bo wani so a wasan akwa na wa hye me ka wo se nyema we nyina na Israel consult to na benya bi afri na number abefre no 0244 68 65 57 0244 68 65 57 and now say 0207 782 482 0207 782 482 ofra on sabetu akabi djuma ko to subienu herbal herbal o de hepa plus abadwa so hepa plus de unim ho asem dada adua hoho brebo nim na se obrebo no so wa hoden a ana onipa so wa hoden na nam se hepatitis B akwa yare bia eya na we ni public bomiti so no hepa plus na siesie brebo na ka so hepatitis B no entumi engina we obi asori a o se maya no phone me yare so mentiapo enemitia me ya ekira me mfe maya basa ho nto no hepa plus emma mo kwa fichire a mo fichi kono mo husuye no hepa plus afi kwa fichire na so taati ya mo a no hepa plus saa so na fichi kono ene beba ekira emma oba timi tra ho abosome miensa na on kwa fichire da ono so awonyam me pacho no hepa plus ebe siesiu nemo memma na mo so sebiota frache ehuna bobirim kwa ku donsuro ogidigidi manpower no de bia no sini trase no edu bra also timi so gira ho ne be gira ho ama ode a na hepa plus emma di ho danse emma so kanfo ono hepa plus a wo hawo eto beka ahyeta e o man Ghana stop bia mu na mo amope bi etu aton ene mo amope bi ato nyina no mo be fe hepa plus e wo 0542 778572 0542 778572 hepa plus wasinum bi ne be siesio magyam hepa plus for healthier liver over
yo
saya no
that's it
ya jo gre ni nyina
e
da koto
penny akasa otumi acheche ensem bebre mu ama enipa hu no na se peni kasa akola da se yekom because ono no wo information more
yes peni biare wi
yes ya medical chi ahwefo de bia na me da seda ama omo a ene week omo baaye
okay
ewo ekugwa koforo chi krom abonten so na medical da ekugwa ohene kafie efe no opese kunadu mse makonta no fa so ya fe because ono na papa na owuye no fa akope no uruma no nti ekugwa hene na opese kunadu me da wase bebre ene enum nyamo a ode be share yen ya meko twifo nyeman
okay
meko wache amafo matema opa so me mai
okay
adenti ya bifikuru mo ho so no movement bi no ebeba twifo eduana abusua kwabran kromada no twifo nyeman ampenkuro no twifo nyeman eduana abusua kwabran kroma bisankroma akwabaga odano oyomba mane yefe omo de ka ma eba etu ho na je 1 o'clock
wow
ebedu ebukugwa na papa be 5 o'clock
okay
omo ya de former assembly woman Auntie Rose one adwa Christy adeye eno mpere former be na no me da sra mutu nkokoro mo nkada mako afi
to say the fa na
you we fidi so na fi ma da bibia ene munam wo mbehye me any movement for na yawo akokwa bi redia no ka say o me light kwekuya fa ha ono guide me
okay
emene no ka fi a krom hono no ene weekend eji ye no koma no so ni wa ya kan wu ya che kan kama yo obi twa papa oni bi akoso we yafe nti no kwaku yemi sei fa sei yemi sei so we spiritual father for guide wa we free ana ebu ya ye din ayo krom hono mo movement mo mobile na no aseda we say ye wo atitafo domo a etodua de ambohwi kuma sefo titru okay ya de kofodua ofata ye cameraman no ofata mo ono ne ba nimpo ahoma chembe 4 o mugina body no mo video
wow
nisma dawo o mu yer men ndawo no Sunday nti na ayi munyam yer wiase o mo fi de yer ko mo no ebi mfida
okay
nti no ya seda na ma Africa so no abra ese ade ofana amani ose ya show ene ma ya oye no fere dimo oye ni dimo your special edition of oil bia fantastic oh the chair eja obano so fan kitchen no re na ade papa e be tani sir amano ndo yo no yusuru na ma really be you dey kind of you better your movement for us ebi ye djuma papa bi so djuma bone ebi nti se odo bi kwampo na ezna be na so no nkamufo omodo na ha sei bi do na se to frɛ e ka tire se e so no kanu ebi bi pawo o mo ye ni eyi asem bi e ba na bi eyi asem e ko ebi ye member 2 na ni mu ni hwɛ onto de ekoso na fun won mo yintu kan television so nkyerɛ nyina bibi bi a eba no ye frɛ ye memesemo de call memesemo actually me say say neba say na monye e happy o so de ngomoria
okay
divine call the buy no papa no pia bonto be tena gate na no no go say 3 wise men a o mo eba mo mi fidam mo la meda o so baby ye ma e be say kuro so mi fa meti afi no yawo enkwaje ba mama ni fie no matter o mo yankwa the whole 2 big towns no Sodom and Gomorrah no they all perish nti o mama ya we say ofala eba no mi na do go no zi is eba zi enya sai bi
okay
your train on train you finish no anything your spiritual work you dey ma amanfo nti na minimum ka say bebre so we not be say a member of the free the man movement usua there every who ni kan ya please be conscious. The same day that banner, into television so you catch your divine core members. And the two, I feel equally. Okay. When I every for and look down. No, I make a celebrity. Okay. I'm every for and look down. Okay. Because almost so many Christmas so, but I don't believe you say. I feel no. Oh yes. That makes the 7-day Adventist church, you know. So we did some people who say more, only useless. Okay. There's only one thing now, only Sunday for a differentiate a very difference. Okay. Because every for every new Trinity. And you have been some advocacy.
Nyamiaja, Nyamioba, Nyamionko, God in 3 persons.
That is it.
And for somebody, what can some of your machine?
Trinity.
Aden.
And who book me? If I never yasi, I will play a shot for you. Or what can I find a way for yasi?
God the Son, God the Father, the Son, God the Holy Spirit.
Yes. Okay. And yet, they believe it. I will believe communion. And the last supper. And see, I bring some other
communion. Yeah. That's what I say. I say we need moja. Mono na mo edebi amanu bia mo fan kan mi. We enemy honam.
Yama every for who say. Those who wrote the 4 gospel,
Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John.
Very good. We take on here and then so be it.
Okay.
Except for no one of them actually 4 gospel maybe.
Okay.
It is all the Bible, no. That's what we say the Indian the full of upon there every for tell them say oh my.
Okay. There is a form of communion.
They believe it. Okay. Because they come to 3 months.
Oh, okay.
We are going now
okay.
So I do have Africa for the say. So Bruni be or Cindy from come at the bar say no. You're tracking show me your cost. Now if we are proof to some Africa for power.
Poverty is a disease.
Yes, sir. I new apostolic. Before the women you come on the
symbol AB san.
That is it. No. Baby, I don't come apostolic and come after no. Okay. We know a new apostolic church. Okay. Before the women you come on no. I'm saying yeah, I'm going to see my father. Oh, that.
Se bia van say achimota no mo ba. Yeah. Omo ma ya kra no.
Omo say so no. Omo ko mo no a, omo chant ade.
Oh, okay.
Omo shirt top white, cloud black. Omo check bicycles.
Enya later day same phone.
Omo so
okay.
So be a moment. When you come new apostolic church.
Okay.
Etiro ehienti na yaji kubu shebe mo. Na gonna for you having a figure bring the assembly ba opportunity na you na jibun ade ma e dia assembly team you know e Sabbath member. Okay. When you know my no na our way of life so do member for the dapa you go for you know juma ntina ekomi dada
member dapa.
That's it. The question to be friend aton ko mo no. But then I find share your doctrines, you know. No, we are too proud.
Okay.
You want to meet them one-on-one.
Yes. Okay.
You want to meet them one-on-one.
Our main platform is.
That is it. Yes.
I say what? Be a share be.
I mean, say that to you.
Okay.
Look at people who say one. Also, when you say the second coming of Jesus Christ together ever. If you will say. When the Catholic Church by Emperor Constantine, oh, what can I say? No, I'm not preparing the 200. My right, I'm going to say, you know, we for trade with enough of this book, so what brings in the government. If okay, now, or put them in the map room. My name and every family poop up to Abafakomu, every video company, you have said that.
Yes.
And I'm going to say, tell the third one of them. No say to treat, but you never heard time into you never heard no more. It's about me who say, oh, and a Trinity, or would you be no? You will say, everything about the lecture on Jesus and Mitra.
And a copy simply brave.
I'll give it to them.
Okay.
Very good for me before pa. And then any video I say now when you say every for benefit any poop and share them one minute. When you say when you not have video the free. You see you can catch on a plane. Sir, you say Sunday Friday I don't tell you Sunday. O ma yira o me ko se da fo o ma yira. Mo se me de me na fo e me ye ko heaven o ko. So we dey in the free say mo a on the Sunday free na marking time. O me na bo pepe. Okay. Because I very first no ko ontem. Abia Sunday for the Jude no, o se the same thing bi. Mo dey say obi fi sura over the form akosoro. Mo dey say ho o pe wu a fa fele e bo na time. Mo dey say community mo dey say yakopo masakoro no mo.
Na mo dey say first month of the year say January.
That is it. Mo dey say ha. It's no between the 7 days Sabbath day and the Sunday evening.
And one kwesi adana memenda.
That is it. Na go ni mo ba ha chentin no. They kwa ye ni gu. Obi ni pa o tasmade. And ko de kan wa se mo an na no ko.
Okay.
Ah, mo dey o symbol. Here the e ko ba sumu a ase bema. This is the to so that anti bi. Because I say
Emood.
No one need you. It's a flat.
I say
what I say. It's a to. Who are simple oba on Tasman?
So say bottom flat there.
Meaning every time we just swim. Ah, me Tasman there.
Bottom ko is there.
What is it? What is it?
Okay.
You see, I'm not a break away. Historic Adventist. Omi na 55 so no. Na ko say from fire to fire. So we want them to know, say, we are African Hebrew Israelites.
Okay.
You're branding away with a religion. And the two of the person who say, because I worship war, and yet a day.
Okay.
So they are condemned as Sundaism war. You have to be careful.
About the deal. Sunday. You
have to be careful. One. Every power say the Freemason, Kemeni, Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Oh yeah, Medina, now the cross is sitting there. So what to do that?
There be.
It's haram.
And you
put them off. Every power say we are Christian, every we are Freemason for symbol. It is so wonderful. Oh, Massachusetts, I didn't try.
Okay. Because
we believe a community. They need to be bar or share the negative side, you know. No, I accept it. Claudia, book was a Jesus and Mitra.
Okay.
You can't say what they're paying. Mitraism, this in India, almost in the Yasina, every phone. But the women details, you know. You pay the coin channel, a Christianity. And that's also. But a woman or man to Anthony.
Mitra, dear, no,
man to Anthony. It's communion 25th December, and every for the money at the end of the day, and so this will be the year. Sir, December, we say, every year for head office, that's why it is to be the year. I personally,
I didn't know Kukuasi.
So I have to go and see.
Okay.
Because I want to they do not have to quite very complain.
Okay.
Oh, the other. Opiodia. Tell us our schoolmates, any pope, benefit the system.
Okay.
Now, open the green. The parliament, I'm not for the movie.
Okay.
Now, no one can carry the car, and let me not be
another my friend.
Yeah, can carry to know. But my work, the man trained more to be on the bois, or the book. Yeah, book with it.
Answer na mekai book na mekai ahwefo says so won krai ha na pass ase e wakaso ana ase kokoro bite ato say efie ana pese oto ana woton blocks ana usi fie na pe bi ato a books ahodo ni nyina so no me pacho obefre 0244 686557 mo amo pens ase ato e wakaso kokoro bite ana ase bia wo pe efie ato ana pe blocks edisi da ato no mo nyina na mo frɛ 0244 686557 Israel Consult ana ede sa ebowe enema we bebo no e frɛ chachaba afusi f pa fofola fo nti bomoden ye sori afrɛ na eti hombo fa menka hene ma wo
yo man ha sei na fabla
eye is the Trinity doctrine in the Bible?
Thank you.
Yes,
Fabla.
Was it the New Bible Dictionary goes on to explain that the former doctrine of the Trinity was the result of several inadequate attempts to explain who and what the Christian God really is. To deal with these problems, the church fathers met in, that is AD 325, at the Council of Nicaea to set out an orthodox biblical definition concerning the divine identity. However, it wasn't until 381, I quote here, at the Council of Constantinople,
that is it,
that the divinity of the Spirit was affirmed. Unquote. Yes.
But let them know.
While Tertullian introduced the term Trinity.
What does that name? Tertullian. Or church father.
I need to avoid the Naunka. I don't know the day about
no many church father, not the Bible, Trinity.
While Tertullian introduced the term Trinity, what he taught and believed is different to what the Trinity doctrine is today. And since he introduced this term, then that means the Trinity doctrine as taught today did not exist in the time of Tertullian. And if it did not exist in this time, then it could never have existed in the time of Christ and the apostles.
That is it. Continue.
Wow. No, I have a papa be a program Thursday. Also, I can say, was this a Yamia by Yamako Airbusom, some Mutungu.
Yo!
On also, yes, often about tones cry.
But see a man what to say. The Omo, almost set to Sabatino.
Yes.
You are welcome. Let me say, you are my Santini, Akani, or some 7-day Adventist church. One brother with a religion.
Okay.
From a white man. Omo, Ella White, James White. Thomas James Bates and Andrew Omulafo. They're the core guys for the free Miller. I say, on the satisfied you see.
Okay. Was it Tertullian, however, did introduce pagan ideas into the worship service?
Pagan ideas. Correct.
He taught oblations for the dead and made the sign of the cross on the forehead of worshippers. He also dipped people 3 times to baptize them.
1, 2, 3.
Tertullian freely admitted that he had adopted these ideas from pagan teachings and could not support them from scripture.
What's it? Okonyefi amusunsun woni baye every from body at all. Me time to your God money. Omu communion for the last supper. 7-day Adventist. They believe it. They want to differentiate the Hebrew people and the Christian people. Right? That's what we are. Yeah.
And to be able to afraid for
every week.
So we are part
one. Assembly your tongue, ever happen. Assembly your tongue, and assembly are for something to be able to me. All of them have thing. Every week, I'm a fatwa. Here can
Trumuti.
The face of Christianity in Ghana here. It is the
okay, now the
every friend tomorrow I wait you. Tomorrow I wait you. Yahweh.
What's the next guy the Trumutu?
Yow. And some of us from we say no wrong. Share yama a Christopher or some be under the holomo to know the creator no any religion.
Oh yes. It does not take a religion to know God.
At all.
Okay.
It's a way of life. Shadia, every phobinum, every home now, every communion, 3 months. Good. I didn't hear. It's in the Bible. But every phone say the 4 gospel. It was not written by the apostles or disciples.
Okay.
Only say Constantine, they don't know details no. Until we are be a CSD for no.
Okay.
Yes,
say bit you afraid for Menka Ham.
I have say that's nobody.
Jesus and Mitra.
Thank you.
Yanka last paragraph from the first page. The International Encyclopedia states Mithras seemed to have owned his prominence to the belief that he was the source of life and could also redeem the souls of the dead into the better world. The ceremonies included a sort of baptism to remove sins. Anointing and a sacred meal of bread and water, while a consecrated wine believed to possess wonderful power played a prominent part. Mithra had his principal festival on what was later to become Easter. Mithra had his festival on what was later to become Easter, at which time he was resurrected. His sacred day was Sunday. Yes. Thursday. The Mithra religion had a Eucharist. Lost
what? Of a panel or that's it. I can say, when I'm find kindly. No wine. Say, we know you are sure. I will hot as you sure.
Both Mithraism and early Christianity included a baptism and a sacrament of bread and wine, and both gathered their central rites from non-believers.
What? So what's up to say? There you are.
He who will not eat of my body nor drink of my blood, so that he may be one with me, and I with him, shall not be saved.
And for the constant what share Bible, the four gospel, the share almost say Yeshua and the Kanye, the life.
Okay.
So yeah, I want to end it here. But next week, I pray say, Yah will give us life.
Okay.
And we shall talk more about the how that church is so. So we are the tomato form. Now for this car a good song. I will show.
Or the tomato.
Now for Shisika a good song. Can I have say?
Already hear more.
So for Umugani amount for and Puano Yao. Oh dear,
so we have some parapaka. So, yeah, I said, but for bay in Numbina fee.